Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change front light Toyota Prius, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, turning the ignition off, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Open the hood and secure it, then locate the headlight assembly behind the front bumper. Gather a socket set, flat tool, and replacement bulb before proceeding. Work calmly and follow each step to avoid breaking clips or scratch. Begin by removing the plastic clips and screws holding the fender liner and bumper near the headlight. Use a flat tool to ease clips without snapping them, then pull the fender liner back to reach the headlight's rear. Locate and remove the assembly bolts with a socket, supporting the assembly as you loosen fasteners. Slide the headlight assembly forward just enough to access the bulb socket without straining wiring or tabs. Disconnect the bulb socket by twisting counterclockwise and gently pulling it free from the assembly. Remove the old bulb and install the new one that matches the required spec, avoiding direct skin contact with the glass to prevent hot spots. Reinsert and secure the socket, then reattach the assembly and fasteners. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test the headlights to confirm correct alignment and operation before finishing reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.